Welcome back. I was just chugging through the hairy math of this problem, which I think we're almost done. But as I was saying, we're just simplifying this, and we have 25 times sine squared of 15 plus cosine squared of 15. And I said, well, that's an identity, right? Remember, I undistributed this 25. So sine squared plus cosine squared of the same angle is 1. So I can simplify this to, and I will now change colors just to be arbitrary. So 25 plus 100 minus 100 cosine of 15 degrees. And this is what m squared is equal to. And I used the variable m because it stands for nothing relevant to this problem. And that equals 125 minus 100 cosine of 15 degrees. Now I have to use a calculator if I want to get a real answer. But the possibility for error is much lower now that I've hopefully simplified it. So I could use my calculator, and let's see, the cosine of 15 degrees. Cosine of 15 degrees, I'll write that down here. You could just use a calculator or a table to figure that out. It is equal to 0.96593. So this term would be 125 minus 100 times this, right? So what's 100 times this? Well, that's just minus 96.593, right? I just 100 times the cosine of 15 degrees. And now let me use the trusty calculator to figure out what that is. So if I say 125 minus 96.593, I get 28.407. So I have m squared is equal to 28.407. And so m is equal to the square root of that. It's going to be 5 point something, right? Square root 5.3298. So 5.33. M is equal to 5.33. And we're done. The poor guy, he's got to figure out the right direction to go in, and he probably has to think about the current and all of that. But he hasn't asked us that question, so we won't answer it. But all he has left to go is 5.33 miles. So he's only has to go an extra 0.33 miles than he would have had he gone in the right direction from the get-go. Hopefully that makes some sense. If it doesn't, well, not much I can do, but maybe you can rewatch this video. Have fun!